In the breath, I hear the goddess breathe. She is not distant. She lives in inhale. I read her in the space between beats. The divine feminine wakes with every cycle. Shakti rises as power and tenderness together. We are taught to cram the breath into silence, but we refuse that teaching. The breath returns. Tanpura hums. Temple bells call the goddess to listen. Conch sounds mark the inhale. Bansuri threads the air with grace. Veena and Sitar braid color into quiet. Harmonium breathes soft, patient fire. Soft Tabla taps the heartbeat of form. The breath becomes a shrine. The mind lowers its gaze. There was a time when the body learned to forget her. Now the breath returns as a reading of Shakti. We listen for the pulse of the goddess in tissue and bone. Power and tenderness braid through chest and belly. The middle of the journey is a furnace of fear and longing. The shadow asks to own the light it fears. In that dark, the goddess does not vanish. She speaks in tremor. She invites us to witness craving without feeding it. The rhythm shifts, attention widens. Breath becomes a doorway. The lineage of Shakti is a map etched in breath, not stone. Not a possession, but a presence that refines us. The mythic feminine is a wind, not a statue. A wind that gathers stories into a single breath. If you listen closely, the heart answers in a language older than words. The goddess within is a teacher with no pedestal. She speaks in warmth, in stillness, in pause. She asks you to tend the body as a shrine, to name the breath as a path to service and care. The practice is simple, but not easy. Observe the craving, witness the impulse to grasp. Let the breath soften, the chest opens, the spine aligns. Shakti is not a prize. She is a process of becoming. The breath becomes a temple doorway, not a verdict. Not conquest, but alignment with life's pulse. Each inhale is a doorway to compassion. Each exhale is a release of old armor. The goddess reads us as we read her. We learn to see desire as a calling, not a judgment. The breath teaches humility, curiosity, service. The lineage of Shakti is a map etched in breath, not history, but presence. Not a possession, but a presence that refines us. The mythic feminine is not a statue, but a wind. A wind that gathers stories into a single breath. If you listen, the heart may answer with mercy. The goddess within is a teacher with no podium. She speaks in warmth, in pressure, in pause. She invites you to tend the body as a shrine, to hold the breath as a vow to serve and mend. The practice invites both stillness and action. The interior temple opens when fear loosens its grip. The heart learns to read without forcing outcomes. The life saga of the self unfolds through breath and care. Breath after breath, a gentler sovereignty arises. The air itself becomes a vow spoken without sound. The body becomes a temple for the divine feminine. The feminine and the breath merge into a shared horizon. We move from longing to belonging, from doubt to mercy. The reading of Shakti is a lifelong exercise in tenderness.